Okay, boys and girls, the next problem we're going to look at is 236 divided by 39. Make sure you write down Dad, Mom, Sister, Brother, Rover along the side of your board. Next, we're going to set up our division problem. 236 divided by 39. What do you think we should round 39 to do some skip counting? What is close to 39 that ends in a 0 and is easier to skip count by than 39? Pause now and see if anybody has any ideas. Okay, so 40 is really close to 39. 40 is what I'm going to choose to skip count by. So I'm going to go to the side of the board and I'm just skip counting so that I can get a starting place with what we can multiply 39 by to get close to 236 without going over. I'm going to first skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now I'm going to draw those zeros on the end to change my skip counting from 4 to skip counting by 40. Okay, next I see 236. Which number in our skip counting gets us closest to 236 without going over? Pause now and discuss. Okay, 200 gets us closest to 236 without going over. 240 is too much. So let's see. 200 would be 40 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that gets us a starting point for what to multiply 39 by. Let's try 39 times 5. Pause now and try that problem. Okay, so 9 times 5 is 45, and 5 times 3 is 15. If I take 15 and add 4 more, I get 19, 195. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm not sure if we can fit another group of 39 in without going over 236. So let's try it. Let's try 39 times 6 this time and see if we can get even closer to 236 without going over. Pause now and try this problem. Okay, so 6 times 9 is 54, and 6 times 3 is 18, plus 5 more is 23. Wow, we got a lot closer that time. 234. All right, let's go back to our problem. First we say 39 times what gets us close to 2? 39 is bigger than 2, so we'll put a 0 above that 2. Next we say 39 times what gets me close to 23? Well, 39 is still bigger than 23, so we need to put a 0 above that 3 as well. Now we're saying 39 times what gets me close to 236 without going over? Well, that was this, right? 39 times 6, 234. So that 6, 39 times 6, we're going to put that 6 right above the 6 below. We divided, so our next step is to multiply. 6 times 39, well, I remember that over here, right? 234. 6 times 39 equals 234. We multiplied, so our next step is to subtract. 236 minus 234. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0 as well. Do I have anything left to bring down? And is my remainder smaller than my divisor? Pause now and talk about it. Okay, there's nothing left to bring down, and my remainder is smaller than my divisor. So we know our answer here becomes 6 remainder 2. But before we circle that answer, let's check our work. Who would like to talk about how we would go about checking this problem? Okay, do the check now. Let's see how you did. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 5 is 23. Now we have that 234. We need to go next door, 234, and we need to add our remainder, plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus nothing is 3. And 2 plus nothing is 2. 236 matches our dividend, so we know our answer is 6 remainder 2.